Hi, what if I told you that you don't need to work for 12 hours in a day and you know to stick on to the rest of your life in 9 to 5? Especially, I have a request attention at all the working professionals there who want to really build a side business or side SLs. And at the same time, we're all out there as a women, they have a lot of potential to achieve in their life. If they're really looking for a right opportunity, video is going to be for them. And one more category, attention, especially who've been already started their journey in the business, but they couldn't achieve their success, whatever they've been expected there. I have attention at all the struggling distributors, small scale business owners there, and finally, who have an idea to become a free. So for them, this is the video. Hi, I am Sharaanbagodi, Freedom Architect Mentor. I'm the founder of SEV Success Academy. So I have only one mission. I wanted to help the people to become a free. Free in the sense like nothing doing, not like that in that way. So they should really have that quality of time to their family. At the same time, when they are giving a quality of time to family, they not to worry about their financial things. So that's what actually I'm going to share. Right away, I want to just imagine yourself, you own a business, okay, that gives you the lifetime freedom and lifetime financially growth or financially free. And at the same time, you have a life purpose. All things will be getting done in one row. Isn't it a great deal? 100% yes, right? Now I want to just comment in the sections. If you're really looking for that kind of the freedom there, I want to just pause this video, put on the comment section, freedom. Then only I can just relate, oh, this person is looking at the freedom there. I am really looking that kind of a person there. And now, without wasting time, in today's video, I'm just going to reveal through how this one Crore Freedom Business Launchpad, it's going to help you to build your wealth. Okay, so I'll just exactly take you the step by step there, which I'm just have a made a note here. Just you can go through what exactly it needed to build your wealth there, and how it's going to work as step by step there. At the same time, I have some call to action there also. Okay, so now just stay with me till end of this video, around 15 to 20 minutes. Just I'll try to wind up this, and this is going to be for overall very serious, very serious, and committed to make their life to become free. For them, this is going to be the game changer. Okay, now I want to just the hard truth for the day, or the maybe the more around 90 to 95% people, the morning when they wake up, again when they go back to bed, they don't have any purpose in their life. I mean to say, when we were kids, when we were in the small boy, that time, we used to have a lot of dreams, a lot of inspirations. Maybe in your home, if you have any child there, you can check with them. Today they will tell, I want to become this. Tomorrow they will become something. They have to, something. What made them to think like that? Because that inspiration, that energy, always it will be there actually. That's what actually we need to be think like as a child. Don't be childish actually. I want you to be think like as a child there actually. And in today's video, I wanted to bring out that child in you, and I want to bring out that the freedom awaken message through this video. Now, why 95% of people they've been stuck there actually? Why they've been stuck? It's not their lack of skills or lack of effort there. Only one thing is, I strongly feel that they never ever thought the freedom business model there. Unfortunately, the whole education system what we have today, it's only till get you through academic, it will be around all on marks card. After that, again chase for one good company, get into job there, and again the moment when they're in the job, again the slowly start compromising on their dreams there. Okay, normally, because when you speak to around a 23 to 25-year-old, that person, what he's going to talk about a dream, the same person when you meet him around after 40, 45 years, it will be in a different mindset there. Hope you can relate. Okay, so that's what actually I've been realized when I was working in job, so-called job at 9 to 5, because I just let me share around 1 or 2 minutes. it was my part of postgraduate project there. I had been to the industry like morning 8 o'clock. I need to log in, and being as a junior or maybe as a student, I used to get a lot of assignment there. Again, evening 8 o'clock we need to log out again. So 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So that was really hard for me, and at the same time, my heart was calling like, Sharan, you are not meant for this. You need to really look after them. Then that's how I jump started into, without thinking anything, I jump started into sales and marketing, because now I felt I'm here to provide the solution to the people. Like I'm not here to only stick on to here in the same quadrant. That's actually my the freedom journey started there. Then 2000. 18, like I've been just kept a full stop for that 9 to 5. I started evaluating myself, and again, that's how like this sales and marketing guy has turned into as a freedom marketing mentor there. Hope you can relate with me. Like if you're really that kind of person there, this video is going to for you actually. So normally what happens in today's era, when you want to do business, most of the people, they've been stuck with a lack of clarity there actually. Okay, they have a lot of ideas. They've been like a lot of confusion. They may not pick up right idea there. Even though if they pick up the right idea, they've been stuck up at some investment there, or maybe manpower. What are things like something that will stop them actually. Okay, so that's what actually I'm going to. What is that? I can help you to overcome that actually. Overcome that fear, whatever you have, that rejections or the fear of failure, or maybe the picking the right idea. There I'm going to help you through. So normally, like there are two ways which I'm going to share. Like normally when you want to do the business, one is a traditional way. Other thing is a freedom way. The one crore like Freedom Business Launchpad which I'm going to share. Traditional way, what will happen? Normally, like again, all the fear comes into place. It needs investment, it needs space there, manpower, risk is involved, you need sometimes experience also there, and you have to face the competitions also. All things will be there actually. And moment the person, most of the business like around 2 to 3 years, why they will shut down their business? Because they cannot handle the objection there, or maybe they're not choosing the right business model, or maybe they've been frustrated already. Like a lot of things are there. That's what like they've been. That's what like, any business, if it's more than 3 years in the market, I want to really hats up and acknowledge for their effort there, because they really put their heart there actually. Okay, that's what they're able to have that breakthrough. One other way of doing business is freedom way. What is that freedom way means? Normally, like when you have a product or service with you, need not to chase the people. Actually, in fact, the people should chase you actually. That's what actually I want to do, you to be that person there. At the same time, like you should really have that automated system. Now, like see, post-COVID, one of the biggest massive shift has happened. Okay, I've been seeing like all the because of this digital ecosystem now, like things have been the massive shift is taken now, and whatever now we're in the traditional way, like a lot of things already is outdated right away in the sales system which I'm talking about now. Like things have been taken in a different shape now. If you even if you just wait and see around 2027, right away in 2025, if you see in a 27 or 28, the things will get really, things change a lot way. I mean to say, like if you're not getting into that, the skill is needed to evaluate yourself or evaluate into the business, whatever the area you're dealing with that. Yeah, if you're not catching up that skills, means definitely like someone will replace who are already using the AI or the digital technology. Whatever, like overall using that skill now, those people will replace the people who are not adapted to this technology. And at the same time now, like I wanted to really build a business with building a leaders, not as a followers there actually. And I wanted to be, you should be the one more living example or inspiration to someone like to start their freedom journey there. The Freedom Business Launchpad, it's not another one more company, or it's not about joining the people there. It's purely about building the people there. Okay, and how you can really leverage your time and effort, how you can really leverage your idea, how you can really leverage the system there. That's what actually I'm going to share with you all in that 1 crore Freedom Business Launchpad. I have one beautiful the Freedom Framework, which I stands for 3M. I want to right away stop the video or pause the video. Just comment in the section called it like 3M. What is 3M? Okay, so bring it on, BIO, bring it on that 3M. The first M is stands for like right mindset. So most of the people, when they don't have the right mindset while starting their business, automatically they'll be failed. And I have seen most of the business like around they will be closed or shut down at before like 3 years means the starting itself. When they're starting itself, the self doubt which they have, like normally they'll have 50-50. Chalo, like this idea, if it clicks, good for me. If it's not, it's okay. Let me try it out one by. While starting itself, you have two belief systems, automatically that business is going to be not a long run actually. Okay, the person who succeeded today in the business era, it's only because of they started with only one mindset actually. That should be the right mindset. Like I'm talking about, like there is a lot of differentiate between that entrepreneurship mindset versus the traditional business owner there. Okay, or maybe the traditional distributor there. The right kind of mindset, all the entrepreneurs who are out there were already made their milestones only because of the right mindset there. And not only the right mindset, it won't happen overnight. It is like a process. It has a like steps has to be taken. For example, moment like when you want to change your belief system, you can have a decision right away to change your belief system, but you cannot change it over the night. Okay, you need to go through some rituals. You need to go through some practicing there. Then only you can change that blueprint there. The second M, which I'm talking about, the moment when you have the right mindset there, you should really have the right model. The right model in my to get to this freedom for you, you need to learn about the power of leverage, power of how you can really leverage your effort. This is one of the new way to build your wealth there, and where somebody been not able to achieve even over the 5 years or 10 years or 25 years, that you can do it in within 1 year. It's very much possible. Even like the maximum the learning curve are kept, maximum you may take at 18 to 36 months to hit that number 1 crore wealth creations. And it's not only one time I'm talking, it's going to be like month after month. It's very much possible, that too without making it a big capital investment. And one more M stands for like people when they have a lack of mentorship there, when they don't have the proven system there, automatically that business is going to be stopped there. So like they should really have that the right the mentorship to take their business to the next level. Because which have been even in my business experience, because my blind spots cannot be identified by me. My blind spots can be identified by my mentor or the person who I'm surrender. Like who's mentor? The mentor is nothing but who have been already walked the path. Okay, was already in the journey. So those person definitely can listen to them. So in my live webinar, normally I call this as a one freedom triangle. I can help you to set there like how you can really take your right mindset, the right model chosen, and at the same time, what exactly the right mentorship it will take you to hit that 1 crore in 12 months. Okay, now like at the same time, now the question comes like how we can achieve this 1 crore in 12 months. It's very much possible. Normally, these are the 5 steps. I've been made on around 5 steps freedom business launchpad framework for you normally. So you can just okay. This screen is not 1 minute. Okay, so this is the 5 step the freedom framework which have been made for you. So number one, like you can have like how you can really discover yourself as a to become a freedom brand there. So normally what happens, there is a lot of difference between one is the sales driven or the profit oriented business versus mission driven business. There will be a lot of difference. You can check it in the outer world. The business are happening in today with very overall growing in bigger the X level. It could be in 3x or 5x or 10x. They are all mission vision oriented business there. like mission driven business there. Like when you set up in the like only the profit or money making business, those won't run for a long time. That's what I call it like a 3. Like you should be have that first of the right person there. Like you should have the right belief system there, the right vehicle, the model of the business. At the same time, you should have the right system to hit your number there. Second thing, like now it's all about, it's not about only the selling the product and service anymore. It's all about what you are, like the person who's selling the product there, like a person behind the brand makes a lot of difference there. So I'm going to like help you to become that, be that the Freedom brand here. I want to have that identity in the market or in your inner circle, wherever like you are there, like whatever you wanted to sell it out, whatever. Like now, as I said, I want to stand for the only Freedom. So Freedom is going to be my like my brand, okay, Freedom. So that should be the you should be that kind of identity. So then only the things will take you to the next level. The third step is involved very much like any business. When you're running there, it should not be like in a person oriented. It should be like a process oriented. At the same time, it should be in an automated Freedom system there. That's what I'm going to show in the system, how we can really use this system to leverage your time and effort there actually. Okay, especially like how we can really help the people to build their business along with you in this journey. And the fourth step, like I want to really like the real impact, it will happen when you have some leadership quality with you. Calling you for the day, or maybe in this through 1 Crore business, Freedom Business Launchpad, we are going to help you to build like the Freedom leadership mindset, okay, and not the followers exactly, because the followers cannot take you to the next level. Only leaders who are really have that impacting personality or like influencing personality, so who are really dedicated to like to do what it takes for this Freedom journey. So those kind of leaders is going to be built up there. And at the same time, like fifth one, like you should own that momentum. Say normally what happens, if you're not the person, if you're not ready to help someone means, then you forget about your Freedom there. If you're the person, you have a mindset of along with you, you help other two people to become a freeman, then it's going to be work. See, any people like we're all like I've been just it should be like this, like the life purpose should be always like how many people are living better only because of you. If assume that like two families, they're living happy because of humans, it's really good. You have done a great job there. Suppose because of you, you help around like 200 people, that's going to be much more greater. Assume that now you're going to help around around 2 million people. That's going to be a really great spirit and a great inspiration there. You understand the concept, like the more the number of people you help people to become a better or to live a better, you should be the reason for their happiness. If you have that kind of mindset, then this is going to be like 1 Crore Freedom Business Launchpad is very much possible for you. If you are not the person, like you are not ready to help others, or you are not ready to take your learning to the next level, means then this is not going to be, this is not for you actually. Okay. And at the same time, now I have a the calling to like the next step for you, like now this is just start there. I wanted to really have a common experience in my like 1 Crore Freedom Business Launchpad there. You can really identify your potential there and exactly what is stopping there for you to take your freedom journey.